The tech layoffs are not stopping in 2026, they are just getting worse. 2025 saw the biggest cuts in the decade, but the real challenge is coming in 2026. You take every big name, whether it is Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and many more, have slashed thousands of jobs. And the analyst who actually tracked that warned that 2026 could be even tougher. Hi, I'm Rakesh and I help thousands of mid-career professionals to survive and bounce back and future-proof their career and move to the leadership and the executive level. Even the layoff people are actually coming to my community and shifting their career to the next level. If you want to have that roadmap to survive in 2026, keep watching this space. Let's understand the realistic scenario today. We are talking about the Google who is cutting over more than 10,000 roles. Amazon has already announced 30,000 more role cuts, and they have mainly been cutting this role in the middle management. Amazon again has been cutting this 18,000 plus people globally, especially in the AWS and the retail are affected. Microsoft continue to actually trim the specialist role. Meta is also coming up with that. Across India and the world, the startups are shutting down and freezing the hiring. Most layoffs today are not over. Actually, they have just moved from the panic to the planned correction. It's the structural shift which is happening across the industry which is now causing this layoff. And why the 2026 will not be different? Because the economics which is struggling, which is continuing because of the inflation, the wars, and the geopolitical crisis that we see. AI and automation reduces the roles needs across the sector, especially in the mid-level. The cost controls are permanent now. That means it's not just about the pandemic anymore. It's a structural shift that the industry is going through. There are a lot of new projects are getting delayed. That means there is a very less fresh hiring or the role expansion happening. And every financial quarter, now shareholders ask, what are we doing in order to have the leaner and faster team with the more profit? So the agencies who follow this, they forecast 20% more layoffs in tech for 2026 versus 2025. That means around 200,000 people globally. Deloitte study says that 57% of the mid-senior IT professionals are expected to job losses or freezes next year. Even in the hot AI field itself, investor worry, funding is cutting down. That means it will slow down the new projects. And according to LinkedIn India, jobs at 20 lakh plus salary are getting 40% fewer applications. That means there's a strong fierce competition between the people who are junior, senior, and even at the PL level. What does it mean to you? When the risk is highest, when you are about 35 or 40 in legacy tech or maybe in an overpaid roles. Recruitment processes are now tightening that role. Maybe because of age, maybe because of longer cycle, and also they are adopting to the more test. Now demand moves fast to the cloud, AI, data science, cybersecurity, etc. No waiting is allowed. That means your 90 days period becomes an objection. And lifelong learning is not optional anymore. It's a survival game that you need to play. Now let's understand about how do we probably get into the solution. First and foremost, you have to drop your high salary ego. You need to be adapting to the new roles, even if it is a small pay initially. Build a small and real portfolio of your AI and cloud projects, online or freelance. Start networking from the HR jobs to real industry leaders, hiring managers. This will actually build the relationship and the rapport. Save your next 6 months of salary. If possible, layoffs aren't a surprise anymore, but a slow wave can be a surprise. Prioritize your mental health and support system. More or less, we have the stress, so make sure that you have a good hydration and the sleep in your health as well. Now, the question to you, how do you actually overcome this? Pick one new skill, start one new project or a course, and DM a senior expert for the guidance. Just comment below how you are actually strategizing this with a strategy. If you are fighting and if you are stuck, just type in help in the comment box and we will form a community that thrives and not just survive. What do you know? What was the last cut that you had? What were the warning signs? Are you worried or prepared for 2026? These are some of the questions that comes to your mind. Share your real stories or doubts below. It might help somebody who is actually getting stuck, and it can help somebody save their career as well. For the next video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually overcome the layoff and build your future-proof career. Your best move is an honest skill building and the smart connections now. Look for the next video and I'll be challenging you how to probably future-proof your career in the next phase of the career as well. I look forward to see you. Subscribe to this channel, stay ahead of the pack, and be in the game while you are learning the new strategy on this channel.